Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So let's just check the currently lock screen wallpaper, and just to change it we should first open the settings app and then just to tap to wallpaper and style section. Click here to change wallpaper. We can see here all the available wallpapers, so we can use photos from our device gallery, previously taken on our device camera, or just downloaded from the internet photos. Also we can use our just colors, graphical, just wallpaper services wallpapers, so we can use the default wallpapers and the Galaxy tabs. So just to change your currently wallpaper, let's use for example one from the graphical. Let's use the wallpaper. Just select only lock screen if you want to change only lock screen. If you want to change two screens together at the same time, just select lock and home screen, then just tap to next. Tap here to done on the right upper corner, and we can see that the changes applied to our lock screen. So let's check, and we can see that we just changed it successfully. So also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while our device home screen with the finger on the just free space. Then you'll see here on the left down corner wallpaper and style section. And by the same way, to change the wallpaper, click here and select one from the available wallpapers. For example, let's use the live one. Be sure that you are connected to the internet or to Wi-Fi or another mobile data. Now we can see that it's applied to our lock screen. So let's check, and we can see that we just changed it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.